our Hooch.
Ha! Suckers. I only had a pair of twos.
You got lucky. You know, I'm gonna deal again.
Thanks for teaching me how to play poker, fellas.
Yeah, no problem. Think of it as your tuition towards Slick School of Poker.
I don't know about that fight.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I'm in. $2.
Me too.
I'm not sure. What do you guys think?
Well, if that were me, I'd raise.
Let me see. Hey, 2 and 3 of spades? Well, that's pretty good. I'd be aggressive.
Okay. I trust you guys. I'm in for 10.
Nice.
I wouldn't steer you wrong.
Hey, fellas,
What is it, Mouth?
the new nurses, they're in the showers.
Matt, can't wait!
What a bunch of idiots. Wet cat steam bath, here I come.
Come on. There weren't even friggin' nurses there. It was just those apes from the supply company.
Jerky lied.
Don't even believe him anymore.
Where's Gully?
Wait, where's our money?
I think we should have done that, Mal.
Well, come on, Gully. Just look at it this way. It was the old double cross. Now, you're enrolled in Mount School of Rubdowns. Come on. Let's go to the steam bath.